how to add an image to a MIRO board. So first go to your MIRO dashboard and then just open your board. I'll just open this one. Okay, once your board is open, let's just wait for it to load. Kind of hang. Let's refresh this. Okay, now once your board is loaded, just click on the plus icon here at the left side. Okay, now scroll down and look for upload. Okay, click on this one. Then if you want to upload your image from your device, you can choose this one. You can choose among these options here as well, so I'll just use this one. Okay, now I'll just upload my image here. So you can just resize it and drag and drop it wherever you want. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.